Hello students, welcome to a video about how to do your own checking in and out of books so we can start the self-checkout process. So I'm going to go through with you the steps of how you can both return your books and check out new books. So when you come into the library, there is a special computer that is set up to do self-checkout, and the first thing you're going to need to do is wake it up, either by pressing a key on the keyboard or by shaking the mouse. Once you do that, it's supposed to go straight to the Destiny screen. This is what you should see. But in case it doesn't for some reason, there'll be a bookmark tab right underneath your back and refresh hours that says Destiny. Go ahead and click that and it will take you to this screen. In order to do anything, it does need to be logged in. You can tell it's not logged in right now because there aren't 5 tabs going across right here. And the button over here says log in as opposed to the account name. So the computer automatically is going to remember the login. So you're just going to press login and it has it memorized right here. And you go ahead and just say login. Now you know that you are officially logged into the computer because you've got the tabs going across here. The only tab that you're really ever going to need is circulation, and in circulation you're just really going to be using checking in and checking out. So if you're not ever sure of the difference, just remember that if you're checking a book in, you're bringing a book back into the library. So checking in means returning. Checking out means that you want to take a book out of the library. So that's how you'll know. The first thing you're going to have to do is when you walk in, you'll wake up the computer, get it logged in. You have to check in your book. You need to return it. So just have it be on the check-in screen. The cursor is blinking inside the box. All you have to do is pick up the scanner and you're going to scan the book and you're looking for the barcode that's on the side that's near the spine. We never use the barcode on the bottom. That's how you purchase a book. You look for the one that says Easily Elementary School. So I press the button on the scanner and then it pops up that I have checked in the book. Once I've done that, I want to go ahead and press reset. You want to be careful to do that every time you use the computer because otherwise you might leave other people's accounts on the computer. So resetting is critical. Almost every step that you do, press reset. So I've taken my time and I've gotten my book that I now want to check out of the library. So this is my new book. So now I'm checking it out. So I'm going to press on that screen and this is what you're going to see. This is where you have to have your student number memorized or bring it with you on your card. I have Mrs. Keeler's number ready to go, so I'm going to put that in, and then you can either press enter on the keyboard or you can hit go. Okay, so then it's going to bring up her account and anything that she has checked out. So I want to check out this book to her, so I'm going to do the same thing, scan the barcode on the side, and then there we go. The book is checked out to her. So I'm going to press reset and then her account will go away. So nobody can do anything else to it by accident. So those are the 2 things that you guys will need to do. Remember, checking in means that you're returning the book to the library and all you have to do is scan it. After you scan it, make sure you press reset. So I'm going to go ahead and return Mrs. Keeler's book. And then I'm going to press reset. Then I'm ready to check out again. So I'm in the checkout tab. I have her number again. I'm going to hit enter, scan the book, and then reset, and I am done. That is how you check in and out books.